as we're looking at the radioulnar joint, we're going into pronation and supination, and these bones move in synchrony. So it's not just the radius moving over, you're going to have the ulna, and the ulna is going to have an aspect of abduction and adduction, and we'll get into that in a second. If we were going to have these bones in isolation, at first, when I go into pronation, with pronation, the mobilization is going to be in the opposite direction, so I have to do a posterior lateral glide, or when I go into supination, I have to do an anterior medial glide. So I need to make sure that I am gliding the radius following the convex concave rule. When I go distally, because now the radius is going to have that concavity to it, the glide's going to go into the same direction. So then when I move into supination, I'll glide into this direction. So I'll fix the ulna and I'll glide the radius. And then when I go into pronation, I'll have to fix the ulna and glide the radius, because the arthrokinematics will be in the same direction. You can play and do a mobilization with movement, or you can fix and mobilize, realizing you're going to have to impact both joints, not just one singularly.